Guys, good morning. Today I am here to review this Oakster Oak Mist automatic hand sanitizer. This is a 5-liter sanitizer. They said and claim that this product is DRDO approved. We'll open it and explain you about the quality. The price is something around 12,990 rupees inclusive of all. After opening, this is normal bubble packing with a normal cardboard box with a polythene and thermocol packing. I show you exactly what type of it. This was 4-sided thermocol packing, and it's a not like proper export. So the machine looks something like that. It's okay in terms of the combination and color, and without any body label or anything, it's only having it's written that 1-year warranty on it. Okay, so this is all about. So when we open the top cover, you will see there is some dispenser sort of a thing which you need to open. I think so this is the place where the liquid need to be or sanitizer need to be filled. It's a 5-liter container or a can be easily filled inside it, and so the volume in terms of liter is, to be honest, the build quality is not that good. It's a very elementary stage of modification of a machine, and you can see there are some circuits behind. You can see this just a open circuit on the back side of the machine with some sensor circuit, and that's it, and nothing in more. It's a very simple elementary machine. So when we go downside and see, there is a hand and there are 2 sensors and 1 nozzle. This is again a normal aluminum or metal nozzle that create mist. So it's a very elementary machine. The price should be very reasonable apart from that what is available in the market today. There are other options as well for this machine, and you cannot increase the size of the chamber. The sticker pasted it also in, just you can easily remove it by a finger. Nothing in specific. The is normal RO body. You can see the RO tap hole out here. So the proper body of a sanitizer machine hand dispenser is not yet made. It is a very elementary design altogether. This price should be little in a lower side, what I feel like.